Focus Trades team, good morning, guys. Let's run through the morning routine. Per usual, we're going to start here with the indexes, guys, just to get a vibe for what we might be looking at here at the open. And SPY, obviously, flat heading into the session, guys, so not strong, not weak. We're going to take a look over here at the Qs, and you're going to see the same thing, guys. So the market not looking very strong or weak, just kind of blah heading into the open here, guys. And with a quick look at our sector sheet, going to be some weakness here in energy and certainly some weakness here in finance. So very quickly, guys, two potential plays I'm watching today. And again, these are my plays I'm going to watch. This isn't, advice to do these trades, but part of the process here, guys, of finding trades daily. The first potential trade for me today, guys, is going to be in finance. Financial sector looking a little bit oversold lately, guys. So potential play number one today, guys, will be an XLF bounce. Looks like we're set to open a little bit lower here today, guys. And as you can see, we're set to open at 27.20 and around 27.10 or so. We got this level of support right here. So, you got, 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of times that this level has been support for finance. So what you can do, guys, is keep an eye on the finance chart, watch XLF, and if we approach, this level of support today, what you can do for a low-risk trade, guys, is buy some calls at the very low of that support. And again, if it breaks that support level, get out immediately, and you got a very tiny loss. But if that support level holds, guys, you could get a nice bounce in your favor for a really nice return. So that's potential play number one, guys, is to keep my eye here on XLF and see if it, has one more fall towards those support levels and then can make a bounce. Same thing can be said here for Goldman, guys. So again, not that hard to find opportunities, or at least, put together a half-assed playbook here with the big picture view. So you can do the same thing here in Goldman, guys. Going to approach these lower levels of support here today. If you rest on them, could buy some calls, banking on that pop. If not, doesn't work, you cut it immediately. So that's play number one today, guys, with the finance. And number two, guys, Netflix has got to take a breather at some point. If you took a look around the board yesterday, you would have seen that it was Netflix and Facebook. It was not a tech day yesterday. The Qs, the SPY, and XLK were weak. Apple was weak. Baba, Amazon. None of those days having exceptional name, guys. So you kind of had two names in the group, giving us the illusion that everything in tech was really strong. So potential play number two today, guys, is going to be a top in Netflix. I mean, this thing has kind of gone up, almost every day in a row for the past few months. So what I'm going to look for, guys, today is, maybe this thing gets pinned around 420, 422, and begins to make a fade. So what you can do, guys, is with some patience, watch the intraday chart today. And, if the market isn't looking crazy strong and tech is not looking crazy strong, if you start to see some fading in Netflix after the gap open, could be a nice low risk point, guys, to buy some puts, go short. And, if we do kind of, find a top here, it's, believable that Netflix could come down to this level right here, that 381, and find some support. And if it were to fall through there, next logical level would be that, 360-ish level. So nice and easy, guys. Two potential plays here today, all revolved around the big picture. Netflix likely to take a breather here at some point. Those profits are going to get cashed. And then you've got, of course, the financial setup, guys. And I'm still holding my calls. I got dirt cheap for Starbucks yesterday towards the lows, and we'll see how that goes. So should be an interesting session, guys, but looking like, at least for the time being, 2 hours right now until the market opens, 7:30 a.m. my time, and we're not looking too crazy across the board. So there's two potential plays for you guys. XLF potentially oversold, could grab a bounce off support, and then maybe Netflix is coming to an end here, guys. So patience today, and we'll see what she brings us.